Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to see your reposts on TikTok. It's a great way to discover new content and share videos that you love. Let's get started. First is to open the TikTok app on your device. Next is to use the search bar to find the video you want to see a repost of. You can search for it using the username or the hashtags associated with the video. Like for example, here, try to search nature. Click on the first video. And when you find the video, look for the share button on the right side of the screen. Tap the share button to see the share menu, and in the share menu, look for the repost option. If you don't see it, swipe left on the menu to reveal more options. Next is to tap on the repost and wait for the video to load. And then the repost will be displayed on the screen, along with the original caption and any other information about the video. Finally, if you want to interact with the repost, you can like it, comment on it, or share it with your own followers. You can also go to your profile and click on the repost icon to see the list of your reposted videos. And that's it! I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!